always fast. Then maybe we make some checks. You see, I really like it, man. The shocks, they are very good. Nice. Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you my own RC car that I have. There's like 5 years back. I got this 5 years, no, more than 5 years, 6 years back. I got this RC car. Today I'm going to make some modification to make it as a really high-speed RC car, like a Formula 1 car. So today we are going to do this in this video. This is going to be the Formula 1 car that I'm planning to do. These shocks I made by myself. These are all 3D printed. So I can press like this, you see the shocks absorb. Yes, on the other sides you see the same, and they are very strong, but with less movement. Yeah, because the rear wheel doesn't have to move a lot. So you can see here, those are all 3D printed. I made this like a 6 years back, that I printed these two parts. Yes, and the thing that I want to fix today, or that I will fix today, is this servo motor. The servo motor, like you can see here, is broken, and there is no support for that. So I am going to make a new support for the servo motor so that I can change direction easily. You can see, yeah, you just turn here and then the direction change. So we need to, I think this servo motor is still good enough to make the Formula 1 car. But the big thing, the biggest and the most important thing that we have to, the bigger things that we have to change or to add in this car is the gear and the motor. So they try the power unit. You can say that this is the power unit that I have. So you can see here, this is a 120 amps AC. You see, this is a very old one. This gear I made by myself. You see, the case is printed, it's 3D printed. The case is 3D printed, and you can see this the input gear, and this is the output gear. And the output gear has this one differential. The differential have to. So this one I want to install this here inside, and this is the cover. It's also 3D printed cover. You can see I like 3D printed stuff. They are very good, faster. You can make it faster. This is the support for the motor. It's a little bit thin, but let's see how it works, because I need it for some vibration, so it can absorb some vibration from the motor. That's why it's a little bit thin like this. So yeah, I made this a little bit flexible. So yeah, I have first part that I can show you, but the battery that I have for this car is a 4S battery. So 4S battery with 2020 with 2200 milliamps. So yeah, this is the 4S battery for this. It's a lot of power from this battery. So yeah, you can see the 4S RC car is good, man. Good. I saw the shops. Yeah, it go down for more than 3 centimeters. See, with the high speed. So I will also put some aileron airfoil here down for the back wheels, rear wheels, so that it can also help to what I can say, to increase the pressure on the wheels, so to give more traction to the rear wheels. This is the transmission that I have for that. This is just you can see it's price. It's price. Metal sheet, metal rod. So I will use this. It's like I think it's 7 millimeter diameter, and then I will just cut it to fix this for to join the rear wheel differential to the motor and the front wheel differential to the motor. So we have a lot of torque in this thing. That's why I'm using this metal one, because to print that it will not be easy, because they have to carry a big torque. That's why it should be metal one, metal part. So I fix it here like this. I will make some measurement to get to know where the motor should be, and then we will see. Adjust the angle of the transmission with this. So that's why I have it. That's why I have this gap between the screws. So I can adjust the angle of the transmission with this. So this is the motor now. The motor should be here. So here it is. Maybe we make some chairs. You see, I really like it, man. The shocks, they're very good. Nice.